Okay guys, Mossy5734 guys, back with some unboxings guys, and we've got some limited edition cars, and we've got some cars that never got to shine. So yep, so this is one of them guys, a beautiful car. It's like a nice chrome kind of colour, and someone's having fun. And yep, this never really got an opportunity guys to get onto the stand. And it's a beautiful car. I don't know if I even unboxed it. So that is a nice little beauty. So that's the Mazda Roadster guys. It comes in a ceramic silver or something. Oh, it's been a long time, man. It comes in a black colour, and this, I think it was Red Soul or something this is called. It was hard to get hold of with this one, but yeah, there were some beautiful colours in these little bad boys. I got the black one. I don't think that ever made it on a stand. Woo! Don't fall, it'll get you down. Right, so I've got the black one as well guys. That's never been on a display stand, so I'll show you that one. There's some new beauties, and I'm going to show you some that haven't been on the stand before. So yeah, this guys, I've got this as pre-owned. I've had so many versions of this, but you know, you can't turn these little bad boys away guys. Beautiful. I've got this as the Mortal version. What else have I got? Something else I'm sure. I've got about 2 Mortal versions, and you know, I'm sure I've got this as well as a pre-owned as well. But yeah, it was actually one of my favourite shells because it's kind of got everything that I love. Now the Mortal version's a lot more blown out than this guys. It's like diffusers on the back. It's mad. It seems to have a lot more on it than this one, but this is still nice guys. But yeah, check it out on the display stand. I'm not trying to make these videos long. You're going to see other cars that didn't get a chance on the display stand with this as well guys, so stay tuned and check that little beauty out. Okay, let's move on. And this is the Mazda Roadster MX-5 Soul Red Premium Metallic. So I just love that red. Beautiful, like a candy kind of red, man. I love that red. That's what drew me towards it. I had it in ceramic, the ceramic colour, which was like a silvery kind of colour, and then yeah, and then eventually in black. Okay, so guys, the maker a Mazda, the model is the MX-5 Roadster, and this is the 4th generation. The livery on this guys is Soul Red Premium Metallic. That is probably the best red on a Mini Z. It's nice, man. It really is nice. So this is rare now. Pretty rare you come across these now. You could probably still get black. I'm not sure actually. I haven't seen these come up for a while. So the wheelbase guys is 90mm. It's a M. The chassis type is a MR03N, and it's a rear motor mount. Now I'm sure I've got this as a drift car as well. So I'm sure you can set it up as a drift car. The offset on these guys is the front is 1.5 narrow and the rear are -1 wide. The wheels are the gun metallic 8-spoke wheels. Yeah, and they've basically got very close to the trademark paint colour, which was like the blood lilac wine cherry kind of colour. Mad. It is. It's like proper. Like, I'm not even funny guys. I don't know if I'm not sure the camera's doing it justice, but that really is just like a real car colour. It's amazing. I'm shocked I've never used it in a street race vid. I think I went for the supercars too quick. So this is the Roadster in it guys. So the MX-5 was released as MX-5 Miata in North America and as the Roadster in Japan. It's basically a lightweight 2-seater Roadster with a front engine, rear-wheel drive layout, manufactured by Mazda in Hiroshima, Japan. So it debuted in 1989, and let's go a little bit further. Any more specs on some? I like to know what's under the hood and how the thing's kicking it. So right, okay, it's not massively powered. It's got a 1.6 litre engine. They had a straight 4 engine to a 1.8 litre engine as well. I'm not really seeing these in many street races, so I don't think it's really going mad. I don't think it's one of them that's future-proof and over-tuned. So what Jeremy Clarkson said about them is the fact that if you want a sports car, the MX-5 is perfect. Nothing on the road will give you better value. Nothing will give you so much fun. The only reason I'm giving it 5 stars is because I can't give it 14. The man had a way with words though. Right, okay, I don't want to keep them on here too long guys. But yeah, funky. That whole MX-5, there's a big scene now for drifting in the UK guys with these Mazda MX-5. My brother's actually got one, the previous version to this. So yeah, they're supposed to be I've seen this guy throwing it around on a normal street. This kid, he's driving it around, and he came around the corner where I was parked, and he actually kind of drifted around the corner. I was like, what the flip? And he was like fighting to get the car back to straighten up again, but yeah, I thought, yo, so they're supposed to be really fun cars to drive. Anyhow, let's move on. Okay guys, so here's a rare little beauty. I really like this, guys. I like the fact that it's got the blue lights in the front. There's a Motel Ortec Nismo GTR version, the 2008 number 22, that's very similar. Okay, but this one is pretty rare, guys. So here we've got the Xanavi Nismo Z 2005. Okay, so this was from the Super GTZ 2005. Okay, and guys, love that. The Motel is beautiful as well. The Motel's a little bit more funkier than that. It's a bit more flared out, and I have that. And actually, I have that, and that's probably one of my favourite Nismos, as well as the G-Zox. I really like the way that is, the way it sits, the way it looks, the way it's just blown out and looks so crazy. But I like this as well. It's not as wild looking as the Motel one, but it's still pretty cool, guys. And not something you're going to see very often. I still see the Motel one, but the Xanavi one I haven't really come across very often, guys. So yep, it's got them beautiful 5-spoke rear wheels on it as well, and it's just the whole look, guys, of that. Beautiful, really nice, guys. And I always got confused between this and the R35 Motel version, because that has blue lights as well, and it just looks very, very similar. But yeah, awesome. What I like, guys, is that same platform, how it's just so changeable, how, you know, you got it in a GT version, and how, you know, you have it in the Nismo S-Tune version, and it just looks mad on every platform. Just looks really cool. Anyhow, giving it a quick little whiz on there, let's move on.